To add your web chat widget to your site via Google Tag Manager, start by copying your embed code. We'll copy our code and then head to Google Tag Manager. Under Tags, create a new tag. We'll give it a name like VirtualText Web Chat. We'll choose the type Custom HTML, paste what we've copied, and optionally we can change the primary color of our widget here. Under Triggering, we'll choose All Pages if we want our web chat widget to appear on all pages of our website, and hit Save. Last, you can preview your changes before you submit. And when you submit, give this a helpful version name. Hit Publish. And now your web chat widget will appear on all pages of your website.